Hey everyone, it's me, Code 1996, and I would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. Today I am here with the new Bissell Airram. This is a 22 volt lithium ion battery cordless vacuum. It has their suction seal technology where this moves forward and back depending on what you're cleaning, which is pretty cool. It has nice wide area of cleaning. Has some lint grabbers on each side. It cleans pretty close up to the side, I have to say. And the brushes are very, very stiff. To remove the bin, you just pull it up out of here like so. There's this button right here, or this clip. You unclip it, and then there's a lever that you just pull all the way to the edge, and it releases all of the dirt, which is pretty cool. Turn that in there. There's a nice seal right here. And this is the filter. You take the filter out. It's like a foam mixed with a fabric filter. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. But you take this out like so. Take it out of this. This is like a plastic centerpiece to assist with the airflow. You pull that out like this and you can wash this. You can see there's like fabric on the inside, that on the outside. Already some dust. Alright, so let's put this filter back on, like so. Put that in there like that. Pop this back in there, like this. And you take this and place it back down on the machine, like so. Just like that. So you take the battery, put it in the right way, like this right here. Alright, so the battery's in. And to remove the brush roll, you hit that button and pull down and the brush roll comes out. But I'm so excited about this, I let it charge while I went to church, and so it's all ready to go. So let's see how well this Bissell Airram performs. And I dropped a cracker on the ground, so we'll see. Alright, here we go. Look at that. See all of it coming in already. Oh, that's so neat. And there's a little bit of agitation. Look at that. That's cool. It's so quiet. Just pick that all up in one pass. Just go right here. Look at that, look. From a cordless vacuum. That's the dirt right out of the carpet. Oh, I love the smell of a new vacuum. Look at that, one pass and it's clean. You can see those LED headlights are really, really neat. And actually, one thing I'll show you, the handle. It moves up and down like this. So while I'm down like this, trying to get a cool angle to show you it cleaning, it can be short. But I'll try it. Let's see if it picked up that big cracker. Yep, it did. Look at that. Virtually one pass and it's all picked up. That is amazing. See a little edge cleans up right here? See if it picked up that cracker? It sure did. It's very powerful. It's really, I can really feel the suction power. Like one pass and all the hair is being picked up. And it's so quiet. I can't believe how quiet it is. Look at this swivel. Goes right underneath that chair with ease. That nice swivel. It really lays down all the way to the ground. storage right here and see how well it works. You start to see it pulling the stuff before it even gets to it. Look at that power. Very powerful cordless vac. See if it takes so it gets this in. Get them in. Nice. Just need to pick up this big tractor. It sure did. Alright. So, this is the first test video. Let's look at it and see everything that we were able to pick up. Oh wow. That's quite a bit of dirt and debris in there, I'd have to say. Look at that. It's all compact down there at the bottom, just like they say it is. Supposed to. That's pretty cool. Nice. So, I hope you enjoyed this first test video. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996, and I would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. Today I am here with the new Bissell Airram. This is a 22-volt lithium-ion battery cordless vacuum. It has their suction seal technology where this moves forward and back depending on what you're cleaning, which is pretty cool. It has nice wide area of cleaning. Has some lint grabbers on each side. It cleans pretty close up to the side, I have to say. And the brushes are very, very stiff. To remove the